students, in our Sunday special class, we are going to learn something other than our syllabus. So first, let's start with the basic things. So what is the basic need of our life? Basic need of our life, of our living, is our food. As we have already learned much about the food, today I am going to tell you something practical about food. Now what is practical? How much diet we should take, what are the nutritional value of that intake, and what we require. Basically we require all the 5 factors, as we all know, that is carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. Okay, so let's understand one by one. First I want to tell you how many major meals do we take. First let's understand difference between meal and diet. What is diet now? Diet is a thing which we take in a whole day. जो पूरे दिन में हम लेते हैं, that is known as what? That is known as diet. So diet is what? जो हम पूरे दिन में खाना खाते हैं. Now let's come to the meal. Meal क्या होता है? Meal is a food which we take at a time. Means एक टाइम पे जो भी हम खाना खाते हैं, that is called meal. अब मील में क्या क्या होना चाहिए, कैसे कैसे खाना चाहिए. Now let's understand that. Let's start about the portion size of the fruit. Now I'll show you some fruits. Come. Now this is what? This is a mango. This is a mango and these are few bites of what? Muskmelon. This is what I am showing you, the portion size. This is portion size of mango. Mango में क्या है? We have to take this much big mango at a time. ऐसा नहीं है कि इतने बड़े बड़े mango आते हैं. We cannot take more than this. This is approx 200 grams of fruit. This is 200 grams and this is around 180 grams of fruit. So we are supposed to take that much fruit at a time. We cannot take both things together. We have to take only one fruit at a time, either this or this. We can take it later on, either in the evening time or little later. So we should take it when we should take it and in the mid meal. Mid meal means between 11 to 12. So we have to take a fruit diet. When we are at home, at least we should take. In school also we used to give you fruit break देते हैं ना हम. Fruit break is meant for what? Fruit break is meant for fruit. So we used to provide you fruit and some nutritious things. जैसे milk देते हैं, लस्सी देते हैं, fruit देते हैं basically. So that is for maintaining the fruit diet. After having fruit diet, what we should have? We should have our lunch. Lunch is the major meal of the day. Why major? क्योंकि सुबह को what we should take? We should take protein diet. Protein diet क्या होता है? A glass full of milk. Milk का glass होता है ना? That is a protein diet. उसके बाद हम कुछ सीरियल भी लेते हैं. So that is breakfast. और जो भी हमारा whatever we take in the dinner, that should be minimized. यानी कि that is the light meal of the day. And the fullest meal of the day is our lunch. Got it? जो आप fruit break के बाद लेते हो, that is your lunch. That is the fullest meal of the day. Why? And what we should take in the meal? Now let's understand that. We should start our meal with what? We should start our meal with salad. Now this is the portion size of salad, whatever I am showing you. I am showing you the practical things because of the reason we have everything at our home. So this sort of salad, we have to start our food with it. Now first we have to eat it and finish it. Then we have to go with the lunch. First finish this salad, empty the plate of the salad. Then start your meal with. Now let's come towards the food. See, this is basically a sort of balanced diet I am showing you. This is a diet which we have to take in one time. This is one chapati, as you can see. This is dal. See the portion size. Now the size of this bowl is bigger. Then we are talking about the curd. Curd should always be there in our meal. See the size of this curd bowl. This bowl is smaller as comparative to dal. So we have to take dal, then curd, then vegetables, then rice. Now you can see rice is bigger because rice is cereal, and we have to, along with all these things, we have to take cereal in a proper quantity. ठीक है. See, vegetable you can take plenty, not an issue when we are talking about the vegetable. Now this is about rice. Rice bowl is bigger as comparatively to curd or vegetable. Why? Because cereal is the only thing which gives या which fulfills our nutritional value. अब इनकी न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू क्या है? इनकी न्यूट्रिशनल व्हाट इज एक्चुअली न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू? जो हमारी बॉडी को मिलता है, द थिंग which is absorbed by our body, the energy which is absorbed by our body is known as nutritional value. जो हमारे को न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करती है, दैट इज द न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू. अब इसकी न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू इज क्वाइट गुड. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें हमारा प्रोटीन का भी आ गया. अब अगर इसमें हम दाल में चौक लगाते हैं तो इसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा सा फैट भी आता है. इफ यू कैन सी समथिंग इज देयर ऑन माई स्पून, दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज फैट. ये फैट का हम इसमें तड़का भी लगाते हैं. एंड प्रोटीन इज दिस कर्ड. देन दिस इज वेजिटेबल. वेजिटेबल गिव्स अस विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स. देन दिस इज राइस. राइस इज वॉट? राइस इज सीरियल जो हमारी पेट भरता है, सटाइटी फीलिंग करता है, अलॉन्ग विद अ चपाती. See, this chapatis also have little amount of fat in it, because see, this is a complete meal which is having protein, which is having minerals, which is having vitamins, and which is having our carbs. This sort of थाली आई में से और मील आई में से we have to take it in the afternoon. Let's move something towards which is not nutritional to us, to which we say fast food. See, I don't have fast food with me. When I was talking about fast food, see, these are not original. These are just toys. I want to show you why. Because see, we want to have this burger many times. We want to have this pizza, this French fries. This doesn't give any nutritional value. Now the question comes, why? This also has veggies. This also has salad. And why? Where the nutritional value of all these things goes? कहाँ जाती है इसकी न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू? आवर बॉडी हैज़ अ ग्रेट वर्क टू डू. हमारी बॉडी के पास बहुत सारा काम होता है करने के लिए, वो नहीं कर पाता. क्यों? क्योंकि व्हेन दिस ऑल गोज एंड मिक्सेस टुगेदर, तो हमारी बॉडी कैन नॉट फाइंड इट आउट कि भाई वेयर इज द वेजिटेबल्स, वेयर इज द न्यूट्रिशन, हाउ वी हैव टू टेक द न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू. So we should avoid all these things. Instead of this, what we should have a balanced diet. We should have a fruit diet. We should have lots of salad. Why we should have all these things? Why we should have all these things? Because we should, instead of these things, we should have all these things. Why? Because this doesn't provide us the value, means the nutrition which our body requires. Our body requires much nutrition. So our body requires what is not completed, या is not fulfilled by this type of meal. Although it gives us satiety, हमारा पेट भर देते हैं ये, but it is not good for health क्योंकि इससे हमें एनर्जी नहीं मिल रही. We are not getting anything from it. We are getting everything from it. So we should always, okay, once in a while, okay, being a child, you always want to have, but once in a while, whenever you are taking this, always substitute your meal. Never substitute your meal with this. You can take it as a refreshment or accept meal. मतलब ये तो खाना ही खाना है, इसके साथ कभी कभार once in a while you can have it, but please don't leave it. That's what I want to tell you about nutritional. In the next coming days, we will discuss more about the food pyramid, about the value. This time, I have told you about the nutritional value of a meal. So pay attention on it. Thank you.